thanks to my organizing committee who has given this opportunity for us over here. Now switch over to my wife Varsha.
I am Varsha. I am a teacher in a high school, that is in Pethe High School, Nashik, and I am teaching science and maths. Thank you.
Just one addition over here. I could not do my post-graduation, but in 99-2001, Crompton View just sent me to Harvard Business School, and we called the program is called as CGBLP, and we have then I have done my post-graduation in management in 99-2001. Thank you. Laura.
It's a privilege. We are all very fortunate and blessed to be here together. Currently, I'm based in USA, Chicago. I have been there for almost 2 decades. In the past 25 years, I've put on different hats, from teaching to being a software consultant to being a real estate agent, managing properties. As of now, I'm a homemaker and I volunteer with children in school, middle school and high school. I work with the volunteer parent-teacher organizations over there, and I have enjoyed every moment of my life. Once again, I'm very happy to be here with all my friends. Thank you. Alright, on my family, I'm married to a wonderful husband, Prempal Singh, who works as a project manager for Motorola in Chicago. And I have 2 boys. One is in 10th grade, another one is in 5th grade. Again, I would also like to mention about the logo. When I looked at the logo for the first time, I could not guess it as a Topo 85 because, you know, I never did any Topo in my life. I thought it was like top of 85. So that's what I told my family, that I'm going to attend the top of 85.
Now ask Pradeep to join over here. Good afternoon, everybody. It's a happy moment to be with you all. I'm basically a Nagpurian, but I am not staying at Nagpur since last 22 years. One of the happy moments for me is some of my colleagues who were my schoolmates, they graduated with my batch, and we were together right in the schooling in the junior college in the REC Nagpur. So it was a good time to see all those old colleagues here, happy and blooming for, and it was a good union. I am working with Central Railway as assistant engineer at Kalyan. My wife is working with State Bank of India, Thane branch. My elder daughter is in 11th standard. She has not come here. My younger daughter is in senior KG. Thank you.
Thanks, Pradeep. Next, Dilip Bhai, please. Good evening to all of you. It is nice to be here. मुझे एक चीज याद आता है, the day I reached Nagpur for pursuing my engineering. I was at around 1:30 early morning. I reached Nagpur station, and after 25 years, 1 second at 1:30 a.m. I reached Nagpur. Yeah, 30 years. 29 years to be precise. So after getting my engineering degree, with 3-4 months, I was in my house. After that, I joined Navy Lieutenant. And I was there for 1 year, and after that I joined SAIL, and still I am with Steel Authority of India. I think a bit of steel is with everybody's mind. One thing I will say regarding my college days, सोडा लेमन कैंपा कोला बीआरसी का नाम है बोम्बोला. Thanks all.
Yes, Vivek to come up here. I'm Vivek Nandewada. I had a very good time in the last 4 years our 4 years of Nagpur, and I want to really thank again all the organizing people here I never thought I would come back to see this day, and thanks for making it happen. Every one of us can thank you, and still it is not enough. Yeah. So after graduation, I was working as a hardware engineer for ORG Systems in Calcutta. I worked there for 1 year. Then I came back to Hyderabad to visit my parents, and I worked for Defense Research and Development Laboratory, DRDL in Hyderabad. I was very fortunate to work with Dr. Kalam himself. So during my first year, Dr. Kalam came to me, and he was the one who would encourage very, very young budding scientists. And that's how we completely turned around the whole of DRDL. So IGMDP, the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program, we started, and he came to me, and he was, I was working late night one day with computers, fiddling around, and he said, Vivek, can you launch a missile with your computer? What can you do? I said, yeah, we can do it. Okay, I want you to launch this missile. That was my first inspirational moment. That was my first close-up meeting with Dr. Kalam in the middle of the night. It transformed my life. The man is a legend. I owe my entire life to him. A lot of my success stories behind. So 1 year after that, exactly 1 year after that, we launched India's first guided missile, Trishul. It's a short-range, ground-to-air guided missile, completely automated through computer with only one manual override key that was in the hands of the station commander. So that was a very great achievement. And Dr. Kalam had chosen a smaller, less expensive missile to do that experiment because he wanted to try it out on a bigger missile like Prithvi and Agni and all that. So it was indeed, we were kind of scapegoats of the whole thing, but we took it very seriously. It was quite an accomplishment. So a lot of us got recognition from Dr. Kalam for that. So I worked for DRDL for about 4.5 years. It was a very exciting experience for me. And then working with one of the very great people like Kernighan, Richie, and we used to see beyond Strauss-Rupp, if any of you know. They don't know as well, but I used to share my room with Mr. Korn himself, David Korn, the man who wrote Korn Shell. So that was again inspirational. So I worked for AT&T Bell Laboratories for some time. Then my wife, I got married in 91. My wife is a doctor. She was a gynecologist in India. Then she came to States. She had to go through this hardship of going through residency and all that. So she got a residency in Tufts University in Springfield for anesthesiology. And I had just switched my job to the finance industry to Bear Stearns. Many of you know Bear Stearns. They are not there anymore. So I used to commute from Springfield, Massachusetts to Manhattan. 3 hours of commute each day, everywhere. Each way, every day. I did that for about 6 months. Great experience. Driving 100 miles an hour when in car, and another maybe 90 miles an hour when in the train. The train and car ride. Very interesting. So I worked for Bear Stearns for about 7 years. And one thing I will remember Bear Stearns for was it encouraged meritocracy. It encouraged people who were very enthusiastic, and basically it encouraged people to give their blood, sweat and everything they had. And in that spirit of excitement, we had built the first index arbitrage trading program, one of the very first programs at Bear.
To all of you, I am Praveen Srivastava. I am working with Tata Motors. I was fortunate of a year back to be selected through campus for Tata Motors, and I am still continuing with Tata Motors for the last 25 years. And I am having a very satisfying career in Tata Motors. Currently I am working in Engineering Research Center of Tata Motors, looking after the electrical design of the passenger car vehicles. And I am also affiliated with Jaguar Land Rover project. Before that, I was working in the maintenance department and leading the maintenance department machine tool control. And after that, I handled for 10 years the department called as new product introduction, and I was responsible for the introduction of the new commercial vehicles, trucks and buses of the Tata range. On home front, my wife Nidhi, she has done her MSc in Food and Nutrition, and she is a BA. And in terms of Bhakti's terminology, she is a homemaker, fully devoted homemaker. I have got 2 sons. The elder son is Pratik, he is in 12th standard, and the younger one is Navam, and he is in 4th standard. Raghav, please.
Thank you for calling and arranging this function. Really, we are proud to be a partner of this function, and because of you, we are here today after 25 years.